If you're ready to put bigger tires on your Wrangler, but you aren't the avid off-roader and you use your Jeep for daily driving and hitting lighter trails, then the NITTO Terra Grappler G2 will be a great choice to look at. This features an asymmetrical, all-terrain tread that looks good with a moderately aggressive pattern and performs great on the trail. The Grappler G2 is said to be one of the quieter all-terrains, so it'll provide a comfortable daily ride for any 87 and up Wrangler owner. The Grappler G2 is available in a 29 to a 35-inch diameter for 17, 18, 20, and 22-inch wheels, so make sure you get the right one for your setup. NITTO made the G2 with the intentions of being a true all-terrain tire for flexible performance off-road and on-road. With how the tire tread is set up, I do have to say that this is not the most aggressive tread that I have seen on an all-terrain. However, it's still a very meaty tread, and it's definitely a step up from the other options. Aside from the aesthetics, the G2 will be able to perform very well on the street and on the trail in rain and snow all year round, and it can tackle looser terrain like gravel or sand. The G2 features full-depth sipes and reinforced coupling joints to help the tread wear evenly for a longer lifespan. To further help the tread life, unlike a mud terrain, the lugs on the G2 will be close together. This will not allow the tread to self-clean in softer, muddier ground, but this will make the tire quiet and comfortable while you're daily driving it on the road, giving it great road manners. The shoulder or the outside edge of the tire has staggered lugs for loose terrain, and it really gives a better bite off-road. On the surface of the tire, there are deep sipes and lateral voids in the outer blocks which will channel water away and prevent any hydroplaning, making the G2 perfect for rain and snow. The coupling blocks will promote traction and handling in dry climates, as well as promote an even wear for a long lifespan, which you definitely want in a tire. Starting at $150, the G2 is fairly priced in my opinion, and it'll actually be one of the lowest priced options for an all-terrain tire offered by NITTO, which is one of the most popular brands available. Price will depend on what tire and what wheel size you're going with after all. All-terrain tires can range anywhere from $100 all the way up to about $260, so this is right in the middle at $150, and it's pretty good, especially for a premium name and a long-lasting tire. Most of the higher priced items on the page, like Mickey Thompson ATZs, are more of a hybrid, and they have a meatier and more aggressive tread. And on the other side, when you take a look at some less expensive options like the Goodyear SRAs, you'll start to see more of an all-season tires and tires with less aggressive tread than the one that I have here. Overall, if you want a long-lasting tire that will bring on and off-road performance to the table for a good price, the Trail Grappler G2 is a choice that you want to take into consideration when choosing an all-terrain. So if you're looking for an all-terrain with some good bite off-road but keeps good road manners, the Terra Grappler by NITTO will be a great option to check out. This is Meredith with XT, and you can find this tire and everything else Wrangler right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.